Hi, I'm Jordan from 3, and at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event we got a refresh to some of their most important accessories with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and the new Galaxy Watch 5. So let's start with these Buds 2 Pro. These are Samsung's new top-of-the-line headphones that pack all the features you would expect from high-end headphones. There's 24-bit audio on board, so you've got some of the best sound quality on wireless headphones. They've got some phenomenal noise cancellation to block out things like traffic noise, as well as better ambient mode, so you can have conversations without needing to remove your headphones. My favourite feature is that I can tap and hold on an earbud and it'll start playing Spotify, so you can jump straight into the music so you don't need to get your phone out and start faffing around. The Galaxy Watch 5 gets a nice upgrade this year as well. It's probably my favourite device because it hooks in with my Galaxy phone and brings me all the smarts I need on my wrist, while also tracking every kind of measurement I could possibly want. It's got this really nice, simple, minimalist look that you can customise with different watch bands and watch faces, and you can track your heart rate and steps throughout the whole day, and if you want to track your physical workouts, you can do so without needing to bring your phone along, thanks to things like built-in GPS and the ability to download your music and pair your Galaxy Buds. You can get your hands on these new accessories alongside one of our Galaxy smartphones or on their own by heading to 3.co.uk or your local 3 store. Thanks for watching.